Hello, my friends. Today has been the third day of warmth and sunshine up here in the wonderful Northeast, and I've been editing video for the past 3 days. Today, I've been in this chair from 10:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. editing a K-Bike video for you all. At 4:15, the fourth rendering of said video failed. The fifth rendering failed at 4:30, the sixth at 4:33. During this time, I've restarted the computer, performed a disk cleanup, a shutdown, reboot, and another restart. It's after 5 now, and I'm quitting for the day. I didn't get my wood split today, and there's rain coming soon. Calls were not made, preparations for tomorrow's trip to the city for groceries were not made, and I'm tired of being seated, as comfy as this chair is. I have to face some hard facts. I have a Patreon channel. That's where you can subscribe to my channel to see my videos early and a lot of unpublicized content as well. The generous contributions that my patrons make are all that's keeping me going. I earn $200 per month from ads here on YouTube. Fortunately, my patrons are a bit more generous than that, so you can add 150% to my ad revenue, and you're looking at my family's monthly income. Yes, monthly. It doesn't go very far, as you can well imagine, with a family of 4, and I'm not a fan of soliciting donations. I set my video subscription channel up 2 years ago so that anyone who yearned for my information could have access to it for a paltry suggested donation of $5 monthly. I have over 100 wonderful patrons, and I'd like my YouTube viewers to give this video a thumbs up as a thanks to those patrons who have kept my video production going these past 2 years. I'm now in need to continue producing video to benefit all of you, my faithful viewers. I'm in need of a few things. First, 2 or more cameras are needed, at least one PowerShot ELPH, and at least one GoPro type, as it will be mounted on a bike in inclement weather for an upcoming video about riding these machines I work on. Which brings me to the second call for help. I need parts for those machines, which are here on loan for filming. Any work done to them and presented on video comes at my expense. With my previously mentioned income, you can imagine why things are moving along so slowly, and that I'm frustrated. I'm doing everything that I can with the limited resources available to me. I am struggling. I'm hopeful that I could bring some of my 31,000 wonderful YouTube viewers over to Patreon, where they could help me to help everyone who rides these bikes we all love. I'm not asking for a lifelong commitment. It's not a marriage. I'm asking you to visit my Patreon channel and try it for a month. There's no commitment. Again, it's not a marriage. Spend $5 and visit my site. If you like it, you can always increase your contribution later or make a donation. If you don't like what you see, you can leave at any time. There's no obligation. Again, it's not a marriage. The aforementioned help would be of great help and be help that is greatly appreciated. Thank you for listening. And thank you for considering my position. I want to continue making video, but I have to make things, easier to do. And this is a start. So, thank you again. Take care, my friends. You'll see me again soon. Good day.